The Amazing Tristeon presents Royal Caribbean. About 2 weeks ago, I went on a cruise aboard Harmony of the Seas, a ship owned by Royal Caribbean. Today, I'm going to be sharing an honest review of one of the places we visited, Perfect Day at Coco Cay, which is Royal Caribbean's private island. 1. The layout. The layout is, even though it's a little confusing at times, is generally pretty good. 2. Attractions. There are hot air balloons, which are pretty crazy, lots of slides, a wave pool, and Oasis Lagoon, which we'll get to later. Number 3, the cabanas. I couldn't find a picture for them, but the cabanas are essentially shaded areas with couches and kind of like room service. And they're normally either on Chill Island, over water, or Oasis Lagoon. Number 4, Oasis Lagoon. Oasis Lagoon is one of the largest freshwater open concept pools in the Caribbean. It's essentially just a big lake with varying depths, and one side has like little fountain thingies, and there's a bridge. In conclusion, I definitely recommend that you visit Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Like and subscribe for more awesome content. This is the Amazing Tristeon signing out.